we are going to learn and understand the basic structure of user datagram protocol. As a user datagram protocol is simple to analyze, and the applications like DHCP and DNS are run on the top of the UDP to provide their own acknowledging and sequencing retry times and timeout values. So let us go for the lab for analyzation of UDP packet. So for this, firstly we need to go to the start button and type CMD to open the command prompt. Click on command prompt and type ipconfig /all. Then click on enter. So you can see here is the information obtained by typing the ipconfig /all. So you can see here is the IP address, here is the subnet mask, here is the DHCP server and DNS server and default gateway, and what is enabled and what is not enabled, everything information regarding the layer 2 also it is given, about the physical MAC address also. Just note down the IP address of your computer, that is of 192.168.43.101. Just type the ping command to check the network connectivity. Ping 192.168.43.102. Press enter. So you can see we are getting the reply. By this we can analyze that the network connectivity is established. So for the generation of UDP packets, we need to enable the DHCP. So for enabling the DHCP, go to the start button and type run and press enter. So type ncpa.cpl, then click on OK. So you can see here are the network interfaces that are in our computer. So hence I connected to the Wi-Fi. So click on this Wi-Fi, then go to properties. So then go to next, internet protocol version, then properties. So you can see here the DHCP is enabled. How can we analyze it? Obtain an IP address automatically selected. So by this we can analyze that the DHCP is enabled. Then click on OK. So to capture the packets of UDP, go to the network analyzer tool of Wireshark. So type here UDP in the filter bar. So you can see here are the UDP packets. Are captured. So select one UDP packet and expand it. So you can see here are the parameters that are available in the UDP header, that is of source port, destination port. As in the previous ARP and Ethernet, they're consisting of a MAC address and IP addresses of source and destination. But coming to the UDP packet, the UDP header consisting of source port and destination port, and the length is of 48-bit. Checksum, here is the checksum that is unverified, and checksum status is unverified. The purpose of the checksum is whether the packet from source port to destination port is intact or not. So by selecting the source port, it is highlighted in the data view window in the form of hexadecimal numbers, that is E108, and by selecting the destination port, it is highlighted in the data view window in the hexadecimal form number, The destination port is of 1947 and the length of the packet is 48. You can see here is a checksum value and checksum status, stream index and timestamps. UDP payload, and what is the size of the UDP payload? That is of 40 bytes. And the data, that is of 40 bytes and the length of the data is 40. So here are the parameters that are available in the UDP header. So in this lab we learned how to analyze the UDP packet by applying the UDP filter in the filter bar.